Should be leading if it is. Looks like it's different. Pretty good, don't it? Yeah. Well, these tenants gonna get till 460 till Park City on the line. Stopped on the line that's going to pull it up. How's it going?
All right, how are y'all?
Good.
I'm just being nosy. I'm Dwayne Hatcher.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah. And I just see hey, this is so
I
problem. I'm not
live
trying
over
to.
here now.
Oh, really? Y'all live here in town?
No, we live in Glasgow.
Oh, do you?
Yeah. I was at one before I married.
Okay. I said, I see y'all over there, and I said, I'm just going to be nosy and introduce myself.
You still work up there in Florida?
No, I retired from there. I retired from I'm going to stop and just meet those people. I see over here, from time to time. Oh, yeah. Well, I'll get out of your way. Y'all have a good one.
You too.
Okay.
Yeah, and that's just deciding. I'm gonna say no. He says, when I contact him, he's following the name. Oh yeah. He's still on the main. So.